Hey, welcome to video 6. Halfway through the laundry list of repairs. Today we're talking about replacing hood struts or shocks, whatever you call them. I had to replace a broken off power assisted steering rudder. You'll see pictures of that and what I had to do. And also replacing step bar foam on the back of the ski, the bar you use to help crawl up the back end. I hope you enjoy. Remember to subscribe and click like.
When your hood doesn't stay up on its own, it's time for a new hood strut. The hood strut is this bar right here. See, it comes up and then it goes down. It's connected to a strut inside this door. I'll pop the door open. You'll see the housing of the strut. Then you got the bar of the strut coming out. The hood strut is right here. This particular one is covered in like a heat shrink tube to help prevent corrosion, but that's what you have to replace. It pops off the bottom, pops off the top, you put a new one in. The challenge is getting it to compress to put the L bend back through that hole. It's like a 100-pound strut. So you have a couple choices. You can do the serious He-Man thing and really get on it to push it down and get it through that hole and get the clip back on. And some people have opted, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a metal triangular bracket up in there that you can put a pair of really strong vice grips on and kind of push down with the vice grips. I didn't have a good pair of strong vice grips, so I chose the He-Man effort and I just pushed on it like a mother until I got it to contract a little. Basement strut, that's the right size, looks like. This one's a boxy product I found on Amazon or eBay. You get two in the kit. This is the one I haven't needed yet. Once the other hood gets weak, I'll take this one out. No, that rubber heat shrink boot on the OEM one will not come off, so don't even waste your time. Just put this on. They're dirt cheap. You know, after 10 years, if it gets corroded, you can buy another one. Model number for this one, let's see if it's on the box anywhere. Here we go. It looks like it's, there's a name and part number. I'm looking for the model number that rings a bell. There it is, 4042. All right, go get it.
So when I picked these guys up, my right OPAS rudder was busted off. So I went on eBay, found a replacement, ended up buying the whole assembly. Even right here where this bolt goes through was cracked off. So I needed a new plastic piece and a new rudder. So the best cost solution was to buy the whole assembly. There's a variety of these out there, so check your exploded view parts diagram on pretty much any SeaDoo parts website and make sure you're getting the right one, because mine, for example, actually has a hose that connects to it inside. You can't see it, but it's there. So do your due diligence and you can replace it. Wasn't too much, you know, a bolt here, three or four of these bolts. I didn't have to do anything with this because, like I said, I bought it as an assembly, the replacement, and it was already there. I guess there's some springs and whatnot in there. So that was replaced.
You can see this is the before picture with the OPAS rudder busted. That's what it looked like before I found a replacement on eBay, and it was a used replacement, but that's all right. There's people that part out used jet skis all over the internet, and they just, you know, there's a lot of options and it keeps the price reasonable. It's a good thing. Actually, the funny thing is, in this picture you can see the original old cover coming around the top corner there that was, you know, had no tension in it anymore and was basically dry rotted. You can't see it very well, but it was. And you can see the original step bar foam. You can just start to see where it started to fall apart right there coming around that first corner. I mean, it looks like hell. You can't see it in this picture, but you know, you can see just where it started. So it's kind of an interesting picture just from a historical viewpoint.
Now we're going to talk about getting new foam on your step bar. Look how nice that looks. When I bought this, this was all deteriorated and chewed up. It looked like garbage. Now it's spanking new. So we're going to talk about putting new foam on your step bar on the back of the jet skis. You know, so if you have your foam, and imagine this is your bar, the best way to install it is when you're pushing the foam over to the bar. Obviously your bar's bigger and you're going to have a lot of friction. So the secret to getting the job done is using an air chuck similar to this that you can put on your air compressor, and you will force air down the tube and pull your tube down the pipe, or the step bar in this case, and it is very effective as opposed to trying to do it without the compressed air. It'll help you make the 2 turns and it'll make it a professional looking job. Without it, you'll be struggling.
All right, so last up, this is just a quick screenshot of the Amazon webpage where I found my foam. 1-inch diameter. This particular one came in a pack of 2. It was in pre-cut 26-inch lengths, which was perfect. And it's the real deal. It's not like the foam that you would use around your house to insulate pipes over the winter. This, it doesn't have the seam in it. It's a solid circle. That's what you want. I know in the video I showed you an example, but I just wanted to explain how it works with the air chuck. But do not use a foam product that has a seam down the side. It's just not going to give you the same results. Next video is video number 7. Remember, please like and subscribe my videos and join my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a great day.